welcome to your abs at home workout. Yes, I am gonna get you to absolutely crush your core today. It is going to burn. And you know what? You don't want to train abs every single day, but like, how often do you even train abs to get great results? Well, that's exactly why I created the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, because inside of this app, there are new monthly challenges. Yep, every single month we have a brand new challenge. Plus, there are 14 plus programs that you can choose from, that you can jump in anytime. And you have probably heard me say this once or twice, but 20% is the fitness and 80% is the nutrition. So we also have a whole bunch of recipes in there and the opportunity to have one-on-one coaching with me to get you those results that you're looking for. Plus, yes, there's even more inside of the app. You also get a whole mindset section as well, because if we think right, we are going to be able to get amazing results, and everything starts right up here. So this is everything that you need to help you feel healthy, happy, and have an amazing attitude while getting incredible results, including your abs. Okay, so here we go. Get ready for your 10-minute ab crusher at home workout with me, Rebecca-Louise. All right, let's begin. Let's begin. With our first exercise, we will like to do just a little bit of a warm-up with our core, because we want to make sure that we are always activating your ab muscles, right, rather than our back. So we're going to bring our legs up right here. We're going to take it into a little dead bug, right? So all you're going to do is just going to hold right there, squeeze, and then bring it all the way back together. We've got 40 seconds of each exercise today with a nice 15-second rest, and we are going to feel the burn. So, if you feel the burn after this, make sure that you put in the comments, I feel the burn, Rebecca. I want to know if you are feeling it, where you're feeling it in your abs, and make sure that you are actually feeling it in your core. All right, you can lift that head up if you want to make it a little bit extra, but most importantly, make sure that your hips are tucked underneath. All right, here we go. Looking strong, everybody. We're going to go all the way through to the full 10 minutes, so do not go anywhere. We've got 3, 2, 1, and release. And I'm even going to add us onto our clock as well, so that I know exactly how long 10 minutes is and that nobody cheats at all. We're going to take it into some straight bicycles. So you're going to bring your hands behind your back, head. You're going to lifting up through your chest, and you're just going to take it into straight bicycles. So you're going to extend one leg and take it out the other side. Now I want you to feel that your abs are already trembling, because you are tucking your hips under so tight. So you do not want any gap between your back and the mat. And this is how often we don't get those results in our core, because we are bringing our back up off the mat. So really make sure that you're extending your leg long, but as you do, your hips are tucked underneath and you're pulling that belly button in towards your spine, in towards the mat. Now bring those elbows even wider, almost as if they were going to touch the ground. That's it, because if we're right here, we're not going to feel it as much in your core. So all the way down, and gently release to give one more, and here we go. Nice work. All right, already our core is engaged. We're going to take it into a hollow body. Option number 1, all you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands onto your shins right here, and you're just going to hold. Option number 2, you're going to bring your arms over the top of your head. Option number 3, you're going to extend those legs right here, and we're going to hold. Now, just take a couple of breaths in. Feel the strength that is building in your core as you hold this position. As you point your toes all the way through your legs, your core is getting stronger. You're tucking your hips underneath, and you're extending those arms even more over the top of your head. You're already halfway there, so all you've got to do is keep on fighting. Fight for this pose right here. Feel the core just engaging with every single second that you hold. You are proving to yourself that you are stronger, that you're more courageous, that you've got that grit inside of yourself. And hold here for 3 and 2 and 1, and gently release down. Nice work. All right, we're going to take it into some heel taps. So bringing your head into your hands, and all we're going to do is going to lift up right here, and we're just going to take it down into one heel tap at a time. I really want you to keep your elbows nice and wide. Now, modified version, you can bring your head all the way down onto the ground and then tap your heels close towards your booty. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, lift up your chest and bring those legs further away and then tap down. That's going to make it feel even harder. And the most important thing right here is that you're tucking your hips underneath. That's it, elbows wide out to the side, and we've got this. Just 20 seconds to go right here. Breathing in and out. Feel that core on fire. Let's go. You have just got about 10 seconds left to go on this one. Now, anytime that your back starts to come off the ground, make sure that you just bring those knees in closer towards you. And if you need to make it a little bit more challenging, take those legs further away. Give me one more, all the way down, elbows nice and wide, and release. Okay, we're gonna take it into a single leg drop. We're gonna add on a pulse. So you're gonna bring your hands underneath your booty here. Both of your legs are gonna go up to the sky. You're gonna take it down. You're gonna take one little pulse and then extend all the way up to the top. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So if your leg comes down to the ground and your back starts to come off the ground, just take your leg to 45 and then bring it all the way back up again. Now, so often, maybe when you go to a workout class, you see all these people doing like flutter kicks and they've got leg drops and they're taking it all the way down to the ground, but they don't have abs, right? We're really focused on actually getting a result. And most people aren't focused on the result. They're just focused on looking cool and trying to get their legs as low as they can. But that doesn't matter. So you just take your leg down as low as you can without your back coming off the ground. Here we go. Looking good. Whew. Breathe for 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. And bring those knees in towards your chest and take a gentle roll up. We're going to press those heels into your mat. We're going to take it into an overhead clap. Now, during the burn workouts inside of the burn app, we also do ones where we add in weights for our overhead ones, but right now we're just going to take it into a clap. So what we're going to do is you're going to just lean back and then you're going to clap right in front of you. So press those heels down into the ground. That's it. Lean back and then just feel that clap over the top. You're just like, yes, I got this, right? Every single time you're like, whew, I got this. Keep on going. You're almost like making that mindset. Tell yourself, I got this. I'm going to keep on going. Chest is lifted, giving yourself a smile, knowing that every single time that you show up to one of my workouts, you're not only just working on your body, you're working on your mindset too. Mindset is everything. Here we go. Lean back just a little bit further. Your attitude, how you think, how you behave, what your reactions are like. Let's give me one more. And gently release, lifting up through your chest. Just give yourself a nice little stretch. And release. Right, we're going to take it into our fun little starfish taps. So all the way back down into the ground, shoot those legs up to the sky, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna tap. Now I want you to try and tap on the outside. So point your toe and try and tap on the outside of your leg right here, that outside of the heel, so that we get a nice little twist with your obliques. That's it, point your toes and then really twist up and down. Nice work, everybody. Whew. Every single rep, it works towards you getting those results. That's it, tap up, lift and squeeze. We're gonna do this for obliques. And we're going to do another little oblique one as well. So really point your toes, try and stretch your legs for the final 10 seconds and lift up just a little bit more. That's it. Try and really think about how can I tap the outside of my ankle. That's it. Give me one more on either side, all the way up, and one more, and gently release down. Okay, we're going to keep on working those obliques right here. We're going to lift up through the chest, and all we're going to do is we're going to tap the heels, right? So tap the heels or the side of your feet. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So lifting the chest up and then just tapping side to side. Really think about shaving inches off your waist with every single rep that you're doing right here. Press your feet firmly down into the ground and then lifting up through your chest, and then really thinking about stretching and lengthening your arms so that you can touch the side of your feet. That's it. Nice work, everybody. You are halfway there already. Let's keep this body going. Let's keep your momentum moving. We have got this. That's it. Come on, feel the core working. Feel every single exercise that you are doing. You're giving it 110%. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Okay. Whew, way over halfway, everybody. Let's take it into our double leg drop. So you're going to bring both of your hands underneath your booty, shoot those legs up to the sky, and we're going to take it down as low as you can, and then taking it all the way back up again without your back coming up off the ground. Come on, you have got this. Find that energy inside of yourself. Energy is everything. Your attitude. If you show up to these workouts and you're like, oh, it's too hard, I can't do it, it's not possible. Well, guess what? That is what your result is going to be. But if you show up saying, I'm going to do my best, I'm just going to give it a go, I'm just going to work hard, I'm going to keep on making it happen for myself, then that is the attitude that you need to have. Let's take it all the way down. That's it. 10 seconds left right here. That's it. Extend your legs nice and long. Smile because you are almost through it. You're doing so good. Let's keep it going. Breathe through it. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and release all the way down. All right, we're going to take it back to those original dead bugs. Just a few more exercises right here, and then we are completed. So bring those legs right here into those dead bugs. You're going to take it into that opposite arm and opposite leg. That's it. Feel the difference right here. Feel how it started at the beginning and how you just got stronger, but that bird is more engaged in the middle. That's it. Come on, keep it going. Nice long extension. Think about bringing that, maybe just even thinking about bringing your thumb to tap the ground. That's it, extending all the way through. Feel that stretch over the top of your head. Nice work, here we go. Looking good, you are already way over halfway through. Woo, this exercise right here, come on, the core is engaged, it's starting to work. This is what we want. We want to see the abs working. We want to see our body changing, and that's only going to happen when we keep on working hard. Let's go. Give me one more and gently release. All right, we're going to take it into our bicycles. To finish us off, we're going to take it into straight bicycles. So bring your hands wide out. I want you to almost have them touching the floor, and we're going to shoot that leg out, and we're going to keep on changing. Here we go. 40 seconds is on the clock. That's it. Rest your head into your hands and keep your elbows super wide. Come on, here we go. This is the final burn. Breathe through it. That's it. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. Give yourself a smile, because you know you've only got 20 seconds left to go, which means that you are going to finish this workout with absolutely no problem whatsoever. Here we go. Come on, fight for it. Every single rep, you just get stronger. You get more determined. You get exactly what you put in. Here we go. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Woo! Amazing work, everybody. Oh, take a nice big breath in, and remember that you are already on your mat. Why not just do one more ab workout? Just why not? What would happen if you just did one more? Well, you're going to double your results already today. And if you just do another one after that, you are going to triple your results. But remember, your abs also need rest and the right nutrition to get results. So make sure that you download the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, and I will see you in our next workout.